Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
How many members do you have in your family?
I have 5 members in my family.
Do you live with your family?
No, I don't live with my family
Why don't you live with your family?
because I enjoy living life in the hostel.
What makes you interested in staying at hostels?
I like hostels because I can meet people from all over the world and share experiences, and it's budget friendly.
Don't you miss your family?
Yes, I miss them, but I enjoy more living in the hostel.
I prefer family life and I live with my family.
Yeah, it's your choice.
Of course, different people have different choices.
Yeah, we should respect that.
Do you like playing sports?
Yep, I love playing sports. It's so much fun.
What's your favorite sport to play?
Football, for sure. I play every weekend.
That's cool. Do you have a favorite sport to watch?
I enjoy watching basketball games.
Nice basketball can be really exciting. Do you have a favorite team?
Yeah, I'm a big Lakers fan. How about you? Any favorite teams in any sport?
I'm a fan of the New England Patriots in American football. Love their games.
That's really nice.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a lawyer.
Do you love your job?
Yes, I love my job a lot.
Was it your dream job?
Yes, it was.
Why did you choose this profession?
I've always had a strong passion for justice and a desire to make a positive impact on people's lives.
Was it your childhood dream?
Yes, it was. And yours?
My childhood dream. My childhood dream was to be a doctor.
That's nice. So, are you a doctor now?
No, I'm not a doctor. I am an engineer.
Why didn't you become a doctor?
I felt the connection with technology.
That's good to choose your passion.
Do you eat foods outside of home?
Yes, I do enjoy eating out from time to time.
How often do you eat out?
I'd say it varies. Some weeks I might eat out a couple of times, especially on weekends when I want to try new restaurants or cuisines.
What type of cuisine do you enjoy the most when dining out?
When it comes to food, so I enjoy trying different foods. However, if I had to pick a favorite, I'd say Italian food.
That sounds delicious. Are there any specific Italian dishes you particularly love?
Absolutely. I'm a big fan of classic dishes like spaghetti carbonara and lasagna. But I also enjoy trying regional specialties when I can, like Sicilian arancini.
Those sound mouthwatering. Do you have any favorite local restaurants?
Oh, definitely. There's this charming little Italian trattoria downtown called La Cucina Bella. Their homemade pasta dishes are fantastic, and the atmosphere is cozy.
Thanks for the suggestions. Any other favorites or memorable food experiences?
I had the best dining experience in Thailand. The street food markets were amazing.
Do you have any best friend?
No, I don't have any best friend.
Why don't you have a best friend?
I haven't found the right person to be my best friend yet.
Do you think we should have a best friend?
Yes, I think we should have a best friend.
Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English regularly.
Do you learn grammar also?
Yes, I learn, but sometimes.
Do you practice English speaking?
Yes, I practice English speaking.
Great. How long do you practice?
It is not fixed, but mostly 1 hour.
With whom do you practice English?
I practice English with one of my friends.
If you make a mistake, how will you correct it?
We try to correct each other if make any mistake.
How much is essential to learning grammar?
Basic grammar is important to learn.
Do I need to learn all grammar rules?
No, for speaking, there is no need to learn all grammar.
Did you find it hard to English?
No, I enjoyed the learning process.
Did you purchase any courses?
Yes, I bought a course to learn English better.
Is it important to buy a course for learning English?
No, you can learn from YouTube.
Can you play a musical instrument?
No, I can't play any musical instrument.
Do you wake up in the morning or in the evening?
I wake up in the morning.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Did you go anywhere last weekend?
Yes, I went to a really cool place last weekend.
Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the beach last weekend.
Why do people wear hats?
People wear hats to protect themselves from the sun.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Emma Watson.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days.
When did you learn to ride a bicycle?
I learned to ride a bicycle when I was 10 years old.
What is the tallest building you have seen?
The tallest building I have seen is the Empire State Building in New York.
Why did you choose to learn English?
I chose to learn English because it's important for communication and travel.
Can you dance?
No, I can't dance very well.
Who cooks in your family?
My mum usually cooks in my family.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Deep Work.
What is the best time to visit the beach?
The best time to visit the beach is during the summer when the weather is warm.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.